Hey everybody, this is Randy Brown for Cameo Man and Vlogging with Mr. Brown, and we're going to put a plastic cup full of water in the microwave for a minute just to see if it will melt or not. I'm betting it won't, but here we go. Okay, so that was about 1:10, and as you can see, no damage to the cup whatsoever. The contents are hot, but there has been no damage to the cup whatsoever. So there you go. Can you warm a plastic cup in the microwave? Yes, you can. Just keep it under 1:30 and you ought to be fine. So my name is Randy Brown for Cameo Man and Vlogging with Mr. Brown, and there you go. There you go. Yes, you can put a plastic cup in the microwave and heat up a cup of coffee. My name is Randy Brown for Cameo Man and Vlogging with Mr. Brown, and I will see you later, alligator. Alright, bye.